How to redeem Delta Ecredit. Hello and welcome to our channel Whizz. In this video we will see that how you can redeem your Delta Ecredit. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. So first open up any browser on your device and then search for Delta Airlines. Then go to the Delta website. Then wait for the website to load, and once the website is loaded, here you have to tap on this drop down arrow. Then here tap on advanced search. Then here tap on use certificates, e-credits or Delta gift cards. Then here wait for it to load, and once it's loaded, scroll down and can find your e-credits. Here to find your e-credits you have to tap here, then select certificate or e-credit number. Then you can enter here your certificate or e-credit ID and then tap on lookup. If you want to know how you can use them, here tap on this visit our guide in the blue guide. Then this will take you to this page, and here wait for it to load, and after it's loaded, here you can see how you can rebook using an e-credit. So here you will get all of the information regarding how you can use e-credits to book flights. So this is how you can redeem your Delta e-credit. Thanks for watching.